Welcome to Virtual Gardening 101. This is a place where we dig into the digital soil and reap real results. Special welcome to you if this is your first time viewing the channel, and I must big up all the new and returning subscribers who continue to support the growth of the channel. For those of you who would like to hike, in the hills or in areas where you have dense vegetation that is undisturbed, it's very likely that you'll come across this plant. I spotted this one all the way in April 2021. Had the picture on my phone for quite a long time until recently I decided to pull it out and to go online and to do some research, to identify what it was. Well, it was not until this afternoon when I saw this one in bloom in another area, I decided that I would create this feature. For those of you who are not steeped into the plant identification thing, yes, this is a bromeliad and we call it wild pine here in Jamaica. This one is botanically known as Aechmea Paniculigera, and it's a striking species of bromeliad from the diverse Bromeliaceae family, known for its vibrant floral displays, as you can see, and for its ecological versatility. This remarkable plant is native to the tropical regions of Colombia, Venezuela, and Jamaica, thriving in humid, shaded environments across various elevations. Yes, you'll find it at high altitudes and low altitude as well. Aechmea Paniculigera exhibit impressive adaptability, flourishing either as an epiphyte on trees or as a terrestrial plant rooted in the ground. Its long arching strap-shaped leaves are arranged in a rosette, often edged with spines, an iconic feature of many bromeliads. These rosettes not only add to its ornamental appeal, but also form natural tanks that collect water, creating microhabitats for small organisms. The plant's crowning glory is its panicle-shaped inflorescence, which bursts into vibrant colors that attract a variety of pollinators, especially hummingbirds. This symbiotic relationship underscores the plant's importance in its ecosystem, contributing to pollination while offering shelter and sustenance to wildlife. Highly prized for its exotic beauty, this plant is popular for tropical and subtropical gardens, and I realize that a lot of people are using bromeliads now, and you may see the more colorful yellow looking one out there. It's from the same family, and there are some others near regular and such the like. It thrives in well draining soil or as a mounted epiphyte, preferring filtered sunlight and consistent humidity. And these are found in very shaded locations, by the way. Its resilience and low maintenance nature makes it a favorite among bromeliad enthusiasts. With its stunning aesthetic and ecological contributions, this plant is a true gem of the tropics, bringing a touch of nature's brilliance to gardens and natural landscapes alike. As we come to the end of the feature, let me use this opportunity to say thank you for taking the time to watch. Please remember to engage the channel by liking the content, leaving a comment, and subscribing. And please don't forget to turn on the post notification bell if you have not yet done so, because all of these actions will propel the channel to go forward. Once again, thank you.